Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MS Sukani Private Tuition. So today we are going to study about Standard 9 Maths, Chapter number 1, Number System, Exercise 1.3. In that question number 1. So let us read the question. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion it is. Means here our question is given in fraction. Okay, so we have to convert fraction into decimal, and after converting into decimal we have to say which type of decimal expansion it is. Okay, so let us divide. The denominator should be written outside and numerator should be written inside. Now here 36 is smaller than 100, so division is not possible. So we will put 1 0 here and 0 point here. Okay, now the division is possible. So 100 3s are 300. Okay, now subtract. Now put again 1 0. So 106 are 600. And here if we subtract, our answer will become 0. So according to rules and regulation, if the remainder comes in 0, okay, if the remainder comes in 0, then the decimal type is terminating decimal. Okay, so our answer 0.36 is a terminating decimal. So whenever the remainder comes 0 and further calculation is not possible, then in our previous video we had already studied that it is called terminating decimal. So let us move for the second one, that is 1 upon 11. Okay, here denominator 11 should be written outside and numerator 1 should be written inside. Now 1 is smaller than 11. Here also the division is not possible. So we will put 1 0 and in answer we will put 0 point. Okay. Now again it is not possible. So again we will put 1 0 and here we will also put 1 0. Now 11 9s are 99. If we will subtract 100 from 99, our answer will be 1. Okay. Now we will put 1 0. So again it is not possible. So again we will put 1 0 here and 1 0 upside in the quotient. Okay. So 11 9s are again 99. And if we will subtract 100 from 99, our answer will be 1. Again we will put 1 0. See, here it is not possible. Again we will put 1 0 here. So here also 0. Okay. So again 11 9s are 99. Again 1. So let us see the sum. The remainder is not coming 0. The sum is continue, so on. Okay. And let us observe the answer after point 0, 9, 0, 9, 0, 9. The same pattern is coming. So in my previous video, I had already explained that when the remainder does not come 0, so it is called non-terminating. What? Non-terminating. Our answer is 0.090909. So it is non-terminating. Recurring decimal. What? Recurring. Recurring, that's why, because the same pattern is coming. 090909, the same number is coming. That's why it is known as recurring decimal. And non-terminating means our remainder is not coming 0. That's why it is known as non-terminating. So this type of answer is known as non-terminating recurring decimal. And in the first one, our remainder comes 0. That means it is known as terminating decimal. So in this way, this is sum number 1 and 2 in question 1, exercise 1.3, maths chapter number 1, that is number system, standard 9.